And that is Thai chicken and cashew nuts made. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to make chicken and cashew nuts. Thai style, not Chinese style, Thai style. Now, similarities, yes there is, but it's chicken and cashew nuts Thai style. Now this starts off with frying some cashew nuts and some chilies, so let's show you how to do it. Come on. Okay then, we want the flame on and we want to go in the pan with a little bit of a neutral oil. Now I'm using canola oil, and we're going to fry the cashew nuts and the chili separately. So in our pan with our cashew nuts. Now nice and gently we want to fry these, a little bit of colour on all the way around. So when we got a bit of colour on there guys, like that, out of the pan. We do not want to be burning these nuts. Now leave your pan on, don't turn your pan off, and this is a real quick fry of the chilies. Now we don't want to burn these, they're going to puff up a little bit and they'll blacken very quickly, so we have to be really careful. Flame off, chilies out. Okay guys, flame on. Now not too high, okay? Not too high. In with our garlic. Now this is Thai garlic, but you can use any garlic. As soon as it starts to bubble like that a little bit and the aroma starts coming out, in with our sliced chicken. So put our sliced chicken in there. And just start cooking this off, you know. We want this chicken at least 80% done before we start putting anything else in this pan. Nice gentle cook on the chicken there, look. Now, if it gets a little bit of colour on, fantastic. You know, the chicken with a little bit of a brown tinge, oh, can't beat it. But you know, if it stays white, not a problem. Stays white is alright. That looks okay. In with our onions. Get our onions in there. Quick stir fry around. Now we want to retain some crunch in these onions if we can. So we just need to stir fry them round very quickly, just to start breaking them down a little bit and softening up. Oh, that looks about right. And then what we want to be doing, we need to be going in with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So get that in there. I want 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. A little bit of sugar. And a little splash of water. Just work that in there. How fantastic does that look already? The smell, guys, is amazing. So just give that a second in there, just all to get in there and start thickening up just slightly. And then we're going to go in with some cashew nuts. In with our chilli. Get our chilli in there. In with our onions. Little stir through. Little stir through. Little stir through. Off with the flame. Enough. And that is Thai chicken and cashew nuts made. All we need to do now is serve it up. Now that is chicken and cashew nuts made Thai style. If you like what we're doing, smash that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.